Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to continue looking at the 2001 Cayley. So that's the 10th grade level contest, the multiple choice contest put out by the University of Waterloo. And we're taking a look at question number 15. A small island has 2/5 of its surface covered by forest and 1/4 of the remainder of its surface by sand dunes. The island also has 90 hectares covered by farmland. If the island is made up of only forest, sand dunes, and farmland, what is the total area of the island to the nearest hectare? Okay. So, so we have forest, we have sand dunes, and we have farmland. And we know that 2/5 of the surface is covered by forest. So the remainder is covered by sand dunes and farmlands. So we're going to let h be the size of the island. That's the thing we're looking for, so it makes sense to give that a variable name. So we know that h is the area of the forest plus the area of the dunes plus the area of the farms, or the farmland. Now the forest, we're told, is 2/5 of the total land area. So 2/5 of h, and then plus the dunes and the farms. Okay. So if I just wanted the dunes and the farms together, I could bring the 2/5 h over to the other side. We'll get 3/5 h, because 1 minus 2/5 is 3/5. And that's the dunes and the farms. Okay. Now we're told that the dunes is what is a quarter remaining after we take out the forest. So it's going to be a quarter of the 3/5 h that remains. So 1/4 of what's left over after the farms, or not the farms, the forest, is the dunes, and then we add on the farms. But we also know what the farms are. They're 90 hectares. Okay, and now we can start to try and work this out. So 3/5 h, and then we'll get 3/20 h plus 90. We can bring the 3/20 over to the other side. We'll get 3/5 minus 3/20 h equals 90. Let's get a common denominator. So that's 12 over 20 minus 3 over 20. H is equal to 90. And that'll be 9 over 20h is equal to 90. So h is 20 over 9 times 90. And that's going to be 20 times 10, 200. Okay. So is 200 one of our answers? Yeah, there it is. It's right there in the middle. It's C. So just by introducing a variable named h, we were able to create an equation, because it's forest plus dunes plus farmlands, and we were slowly able to work it out. The reason we got rid of the forest amount is because in the question we are told the remainder of the surface is sand dunes. So we don't know how much surface area the sand dunes is relative to the whole island. That's nothing we're given. But if we take out the amount given by the forest, then we know we can calculate the sand dunes based on that area. So that's why we plugged in our forest area, removed it from the total, and then we were able to do 1/4 of the 3 out of 5 h that was remaining. Okay, so is that of the remainder, 1/4 of the remainder of its surface is covered by sand dunes line that made us proceed exactly the way we did. Okay, so that was question number 15. Join me in the next video for question number 16, and of course I'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching.